What's up guys, it's Awesome Brody and I'm gonna teach you how to do skills and drills. And as stupid as this may sound, this is gonna prolong your career whether you like it or not. So first things first, we're gonna stretch our hands. We're gonna go super wide, super close. We're gonna really warm them up, right? And this is something that I do just about every morning. We're gonna do the prayer stretch, really loosen up the wrists. And we're gonna go back to open and close. Get our fingers and wrists warm up because we do not want carpal tunnel. That sucks. Comb, scissor. So now we're gonna warm up our scissor hand. We're gonna open. First, we're gonna set the scissor, open and close, while keeping balance. This is gonna create shear dexterity. That way you're always keeping your wrists straight, which means again, no carpal tunnel. Now you're gonna come out to the side while keeping shear dexterity balance, working on palming your shear. Now, we're gonna set level with the heart, and you're just gonna open, close. Open as wide as you can, close. Notice how our still blade is staying as still as possible. Again, this is creating proper shear dexterity, keeping our wrist straight. Now, we're gonna work on fast open and close. And you're gonna fast open, close, coming up, fast open, close, coming forward, open, close, and backwards, open, close. Now, if you wanna get super advanced, taking your thumb off, coming on the underside, open, close, open, close. Now we're gonna work on our comb techniques. So act like you're ruffling the hair. Now we're gonna do one length. One length. One length. Layer. Layer. And now, graduation. Graduation, graduation. And there you have it. That's your warm-up that you need to do every morning to help keep from getting carpal tunnel syndrome, and it'll prolong your career.